Recently, we've been doing a lot of batch files, and honestly, I've been having fun. So I'm going to keep making batch file videos until, I don't know, I want to do something else, or you just get bored of it. Anyway, today we're going to be making a RDP batch file. What exactly does that mean? Well, RDP stands for Remote Desktop Protocol, and it's basically what Windows machines use to remote connect to other computers. So we're going to take advantage of the command line options of RDP on Windows to use it in a batch file. This video is for educational purposes only. You know how Ebola Man does it. Educational purposes only. Let's get straight into it. So if you want to open up RDP, you just go Windows R and then type am I leaking any information? So to open the regular RDP with like the graphical user interface and stuff, you just go Windows R and you can type mstsc and press enter. And here it is. This is what it looks like. You just type the computer's domain name or IP address, and you can click on this show options and also type in a username, save the credentials. Over here, you can change the different display settings, and you have all these different settings. So you type the IP, username is optional, and then you click on connect and it'll remotely connect to the computer. Now what our batch file is going to do is input a username and a password, and then it'll automatically just connect to the computer. So we're gonna open up command prompt and see what options we have through the command line. Look how cool I am. See Ebola Man. We have command prompt right here, and we're gonna see what we can do. So we're gonna type mstsc, and then pretty sure this is how we see the options. I'm recording a video.
Can I ask you a quick question?
Yeah. Damn, bro just ate the second burger. And these are the different options. Okay, so connection file. So RDP file is basically just kind of what we're doing. It's kind of like an automatic connection to the computer. You can like save it as an RDP file and then you just run it on your computer and it connects automatically. -v is what specifies the server and port. We're going to be using this. And then we can shadow, which is pretty cool, but that's probably going to be a video for another day. All right, so we have what we need and let's get started. So I'm going to load up my VM. I have my Windows 10 virtual machine booted up, and this is what we're going to do to test out our batch file. And by the way, if you want a tutorial on virtual machines, drop that in the comments, so I might make one. All right, so first let's get the IP or the host name of this computer. So I'm just going to type in host name. It's user-pc. Wow. We're going to try mstsc-v. So see, now it's asking for the credentials. So if we type user, then the password, it's a very complicated password, and we click on yes. Boom, we are connected, except it can't download updates. It's fine. So for some reason the background isn't loading. I'm pretty sure that's a feature I've enabled to like make the connection quicker, but yeah, we're connected. Now I'm actually going to show you how to set the credentials beforehand, so we don't get prompted by Windows, because yeah, we can do remember me, but come on, since we're writing a batch file here, we might as well just do it within the code. So we're going to be using a Windows program called CMD key. And over here, you can basically add credentials that Windows is going to use whenever you connect to a server. In our example, that would look like we're going to add user-pc. The user is user, and the password is 123. Anyway, so we save that. Okay, credential added successfully. And now if we try connecting, it shouldn't prompt us. Yeah, just like that. Oh, okay, well now the background loads. So yeah, we're in. We are in for educational purposes only, of course. Shh. It's okay. Time to put this into a batch file. We'll do this pretty quickly. Notepad++, setting the syntax highlighting to batch, and here we go. Pop, pop, pop. Let echo off. I think we should run an input first, because that would be cool. And then we save them. So we go CMD key, add, we're adding the host, user. I've been doing speed typing, so if you can't keep up with me, it's your problem. It's not my fault you don't spend 8 hours on monkey type daily. So we have this added, and then we're going to connect -v, connect to the host, and then after that we delete the credential, because What if the person doesn't want the credential there anymore, right? Who knows? So I'm pretty sure this is how you delete it. Let me double check the syntax. So it's just delete, target name. Yeah, okay, cool. So this is looking pretty simple. Let's see how this works. All right, let's see how it goes. Oh, it looks pretty ugly right now, but that's not what we're focused on. User 1, 2, 3. Yes, it worked. All right, so we want to hide the CMD key part because, you know, it doesn't look as cool when the user knows what's happening. So we're just gonna null these out. You can use GUI because check out my last video where I show how to incorporate buttons, texts, message boxes, inputs inside of a batch file. So let me actually show what I did before. So it basically works the same. And let's see. Let me switch around some of the things. Don't include this cut. So here it is, RDP Loit, target IP address. We can type the IP address or the host name actually. Boom, look at this GUI. So we see the little CMD key thing here and the logon failed because, but if I just switch things around, like, I don't know, add an input or just put in the actual proper stuff. Here, let me run it again. Oopsies, user PC. There we go. There we go. This is basically how we do it. Have fun with it because it is a pretty nice little neat feature that you can use. That's it for this video. In the comments, please tell me if you want either a multi-tool tutorial or a virtual machine tutorial or something like that, because I don't know exactly what you're struggling with. So I'm down to make a video on basically anything. So just let me know in the comments. I will be checking them. Like and sub, join my private community, and I'll see you next time. Peace.